Why is everything moving so slow today? All right, Wole, help him out, please. Oh, that's okay. It happens. So tell us about it, Hubinol. How did you know that, which is the right answer, and how did you know? Both, please. Mm-hmm. Very good. And so what was your first body paragraph about, Hubinol? Okay. Yeah, and so that just indicates that your second body paragraph needs to be about the frog who went to heaven, right? Perfect. Good job. All right. Number two, the topic sentences is in the story Rain, the author uses conflict and characterization to reveal the life lesson of persistence pays off. What does this mean about the order of your evidence and explanation? A, Site 1 and Evidence 1 should focus on conflict, whereas Site 2 and Evidence 2 should focus on characterization. B, Site 1 and Evidence 1 should focus on characterization, whereas Site 2 and Evidence 2 should focus on conflict. Or C, Site 1 and 2 and Evidence 1 and 2 should focus on conflict characterization. So let's drop our answer in the chat and get some hands up. Very nice, very nice. All right, let's hear from Camilla. Mm-hmm. Very good. And how did you know that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Very good. And so we also know that because this is the example topic sentence, it literally tells us what is going to come after it. So we have conflict, that comes first, therefore it is your first citation and evidence. Characterization comes second, so we know that that's going to be the second citation and evidence. But I think that some of us are also forgetting that these two, it's asking us to, like, how do these things reveal the life lesson of blank? All right. So in your first cite and first evidence, you want to make sure that you're not just talking about conflict, but how does that conflict affect that life lesson? Same thing with cite 2 and evidence 2. How does characterization reveal that life lesson? Nice job, Camilla. Thank you. This brings us to number 3. Think about style, grammar, and conventions. Highlight the 3 things that are true about this exemplar body paragraph. And it looks like that's already done for you. So we don't have to do that.